Welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to make a lovely roasted vegetable. I'm going to start it off in a pan, then I'm going to finish it off in the oven. So here I have some butternut squash, swede, celery, and a bit of onion, and I'm going to put a bit of broccoli in it. I'm going to put some broccoli in it also. So I will take you through the process. Lovely roast vegetable. You can use it whichever way you choose to use it. So just go ahead and dice these. Let's put them in my container here. I'm not going to use all of this. I'm going to use maybe about half. Also, I'm going to put some carrot in it. If you're watching this channel for the first time, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave positive comments. I'm going to use about this amount of the squash. So now I'm going to start it off in the pan. So I'm going to get some herbs on it, some rosemary, a bit of thyme, olive oil, so I'm going to start it off in the pan. going to use some coarse sea salt in it. Black pepper. Bay leaf. As you can see, look at this one, start to catch color already. At this point I'm going to put some broccoli in. At this point, just cover them a bit. Now, I'm going to give you a peek. Are you ready? Look at that. Look at that. See? So at this point, I'm going to turn the gas off and I'm just going to put it in the oven to finish off for probably about a couple of minutes. So now it's ready. I'm going to put some herbs over it. See how lovely it comes out? Look at that. Delicious. Very nice. Wow.